For example 4, this should be letter A. A population of amoebas in a petri dish will triple in size every 30 minutes. At the start of an experiment, the population is 275 amoebas. The function y equals 275 times 3 to the x, where x is the number of 30-minute periods, models the population growth. How many amoebas are in the petri dish after 2 hours? So we have a few steps to do in this problem. First, we need to convert hours to minutes because we're talking about tripling every 30 minutes. So step 1, how do we convert hours to minutes? Well, we know that in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So if we take 2 hours times 60, we get 120 minutes. Then, out of that 120 minutes, I want to know how many times there are 30-minute periods, okay? So I would take the 120 and I would divide it by the 30 minutes. Okay, so a little trick, these zeros can cancel out, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Or you could just go ahead and do 120 divided by 30, and you would get 4. So the whole point of that was to figure out your x value. Now once you have the x value, you can plug it into the equation. So step 3, to find the y, we plug the 4 in for x. So we need to do order of operations. I'm going to do 3 to the 4th first. And this gives me 81. And then I take 275 times 81. And this gives me 22,275 amoebas. Okay. In the next one, a population of amoebas in a petri dish will double in size every 60 minutes. At the start of an experiment, the population is 730. The function y equals 730 times 2 to the x, where x is the number of 60-minute periods, models the population growth. How many amoebas are in the petri dish after 4 hours? So same process. So 1, let's convert hours to minutes. So 4 hours times 60 minutes gives me a total of 240 minutes. I want to know how many 60-minute periods are in that 240. So I take 240 and I divide it by the 60 minutes. Okay, again, it will work out that we can cancel those zeros out, and 24 divided by 6 is 4. Now, x is not always 4. That just happened to be in these two problems. So now that you have x is 4, we can plug x into here. So 730 times 2 to the 4th. Well, we already figured out 2 to the 4th up here was 16. So we can do, okay, that's going to be 16. And then we take 730 times 16. And we have 11,680 amoebas.